Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwartner and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today we have the pleasure of meeting with David Laroche, the youngest motivational speaker in France. Welcome, David.
Welcome.
David, let's talk about fear. Why is it such a powerful emotion that paralyzes our vision and inhibits our capacity to act? Can you tell us about how we can overcome fear?
I think the fear is a tool for success, and my goal in this video is to explain why I think that. You know, most of the time when we feel fear there, we go there. We go at the opposite of the fear. And I think it is a lack of a comprehension of the meaning of this emotion. Emotions are signals to communicate, and like a signals, it gives informations. And we have 4 types of unpleasant emotions and 4 types of pleasant emotion, and not negative or positive emotions, because it gives signals and we need these informations. And the fear is one of these unpleasant emotions and not a negative emotion. In fact, the fear is a signal to come when you have a desire. So, when you feel fear, it's because you have an opportunity. For instance, there is a man and he has the choice between 2 women. There is one where he feels fear to imagine to approach her and talk with her, and there is another where he doesn't feel that. He thinks he prefers the easy ride, but which woman does he prefer?
Well, I think he prefers the woman he is more attracted to. And I also sense there's a tension between the feelings of attraction for the beautiful woman and the fear of rejection.
He wants to avoid the fear in talking with the easy girl, but deeply inside himself, he wants the other. Because I have another example. You will do 2 jobs interviews, and with one you feel more fears. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer in jobs? The jobs, not the interview. Which job do you prefer?
Well, I suppose that the job with more fears is preferable because I assume that is a bigger opportunity. And where there's bigger opportunity, there's also bigger risk, and therefore there's a larger fear.
When you feel fear, it indicates you that you have an opportunity. So you have to remember that. The fear is here to help you to find opportunities to reach what is important for you. It's not maybe the fear what is important, but maybe the fear is the first step to reach what is important for you. And you have not to go inside the fear, but to the fear step by step. The first step was accept the fear as a friend for your success. And I have a second step. The second step is to communicate with the fear of your goal to determine intermediate fears, intermediate experiences. I have an example. Few months ago, I decided to create a one-man show on success for youth with 250 young people. And when I was thinking about, I felt fears and excitation, the both. And if the fear is bigger than my excitation, it only indicates me that I have to leave lower fear before, lower experiences before. So I split my fears. Fear of failure, fear about the audience, young people, fear about the number, 250 people, it was huge for me. Fear about the humor, because I knew that to reach young people I have to be funny. I have to be funny because they will listen to me. And I split the fear, and I was thinking I have to try something only with young people, not in this kind of show, but I have to speak, to talk with young people. And I did that in taking more times with young people. And my fear about the audience, about the young people, were decreasing. And I have a fear about the number, so I decided to organize an event with 100 adults. It's not young people, but I split the fears. It is one step more. And I have a fear about the humor, so I decided to add humor on my speech for adults. It's not for young, it's not 250 people, but I had humor. And I use what I know and what I don't know to improve myself. And because I split every of my fears, and because I decided to create experiences with the little of fear, few months later, I was ready to organize my show. So what you have to learn today, if you feel some fears, it only indicates your desire. So listen to this fear and look for your desire. When you have your desire, just study in yourself, just look inside yourself if you have more fear or more excitation. If you feel more excitation, it's perfect. Go! If you feel more fear, split the fears and provoke some small steps to learn and to improve yourself. Just do the two things and you will go very high.
Right. So your strategy is to divide and conquer. You divide the fear and overcome those little obstacles that you can manage. And then you move forward and you conquer and you achieve victory over yourself.
Exactly. And the last thing, it is my fear that permits to decide what the steps are.
David, I think those are great improvement steps. And if you allow me to make a suggestion, the word is excitement and not excitation.
Excitement. Okay, excitement. Yes, and like I was saying, one of my goals is to be fluent in English in 6 months. So I will do it. You can follow that on this video.
Well, David, I think it's a great opportunity and we will track your progress. And I know you will get better and better. Like Emile Coué once said, that every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. And you're leading us to new discoveries with your positive attitude. See you next week.
Thank you very much. Bye.